Good morning, students, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, your SketchUp and Cat Tutor. So in my previous video, I showed you how to make kitchen platform with the base cabinets. So in today's video, I will continue the same thing ahead.
Wall
Okay,
cabinets,
so what
base
I'll do now,
cabinets, another
we are going
kitchen
to measure the area.
elements.
Okay,
First,
so
let's
go to
go for
dimension
it.
tool,
The
click
first
on this
thing
option,
I am going to
and click
make
on
a
this.
kitchen
Okay, so
platform.
we have one
What I'll
4422
do is
is
I'll
the
select the
one
options,
double four two is the
all the
right.
options like this.
Now what I'll do is
And right click on this,
hide it.
I'll have
Okay,
to
select this, press
adjust
shift and
the
select this,
partitions over here
this and
also.
this.
Okay,
So when I select this or click like
okay,
this, press Ctrl and select this, click on the move tool and just click and drag and press
right click
Ctrl and
and
left
go to
click
hide.
and leave it.
Now so it
Okay,
become easy to make the
like this. Okay,
platform.
so
What
now
I'll do
here
is I'll go to the
I have
option
some space
line.
constraints over here. So
What I'll
I
do
click
is
on this
I'm going to
corners,
reduce
click
my
on this
size of
corners,
this
click on this
cabinets.
corners. Okay,
Click,
so each
click,
cabinets over
click,
here is around the
click.
length of 600. Okay,
Okay,
I'm going to
I
make
click
it
on
to
this
say
end over here,
I click on this corner
450
points,
nearby,
click
or I
on
can say
this
make it 300 also.
and
Okay,
click on this
because
so
in
you can
between
see
I want to
a
make
surface
some
is filled over
shelves
here.
over here.
Okay,
Okay,
so what
so
I
what
can
I'll
do
do
is
select this.
first thing I'll
To
right
make
click
to
on
make it
this,
white,
go
select
to
this
unique,
unique
make unique,
and go to
select this, right
reverse
click
the
and make
face.
unique, select
The
this,
reason to
right
do
click,
make unique
reverse the face,
is like this
when I
reverse
make
the face.
changes
Okay,
in one of the object,
now
it
give
won't
a
affect the changes in the other
height of
object.
50
Okay,
mm from
but if
here.
I don't do make
Is that
unique
okay?
option,
Double
so
click
what will
on
happen
this.
if I make any
1, 2,
changes
3.
over here, it
Triple
will
click.
select
Sorry.
only other
Right click
objects also
and go to the
of the same name
group
in the
make
component.
group option.
So you need to
Just
select
click on the
this,
option
right click,
move
and you need to make
and
unique.
take it
Okay,
up
it separates from the
with the value
instance
as 850
properties.
mm.
Okay, what I'll do
Okay,
is now in this
so actual
case
kitchen
I'll
platform heights on 900 mm,
double click on this
but the
and I'm
thickness
going to make it a
we give
wire
the height as a
frame
850 mm.
and I'll
Okay,
click and drag it.
so from here
I'll take it to 150
to here
backside.
you can
Okay,
check it's
this is
850.
my 50
From
का
this
door हो गया
point to
मेरा
this
यहाँ पर.
form it is
So when I
900.
check
A
this, I
difference.
get a door of say
Okay, got it.
450 each. Okay,
Now
now
I'm going to make a edge
select
over here.
this.
Okay, so
Again,
what I'll
repeat
do
the
is
same thing from
double
here.
click on this inside.
Make it the
We have a
250 का
plugin
over
called
here also.
1000
Sorry.
bits. Okay, right click on this.
यहाँ से
Again, you can active over here.
just reduce by
And then
150
we have option
Sorry.
called
Yeah,
create parallel
done.
edges. Basically like a offset
I'll
command.
select this.
Okay, so if
Click
I
on
give
this.
offset
I'll
of
take it over
say
here. Okay,
25
I go to get
mm.
good
Okay,
gap over here. So let me
so I can
see
click like
what's my
this.
gap in
This
this.
point like this.
Till
Okay,
here, till here.
click on this point like this. It's done. Hmm?
So it's
Okay, what
around.
I'll do is now I want to
Sorry.
join
Dimension.
these two edges over here.
Click this to click
So we have
this.
option called
452.
extend edges.
Okay, no
Select
worries.
this edge to select. I got the object back.
Yeah,
Now
done.
there's a partition over here. What I'll do
Okay.
is click and drag, fill the partition like this, and take it up at the height of say 800 mm. Done. Okay, that's great. Now double click on this,
So now
right click, and go to
again
say group.
I'm going to
Done.
copy this partition here also.
Now
Select
the
this
next thing
partition
I'm
and
going to
drag
make
it towards this area.
the kitchen
Okay, I
cabinets.
take a little inside
So first thing what you need to do is in this you have to measure the area, like from this point to this point. Okay,
like
it's
this.
2642.
Okay,
Okay,
same for here also. I need to
yeah.
do the same thing here also.
What I'll do is we will make a partition over here first. Okay, and from the partition then we'll make the other elements.
I'll take
So
this little inside
from here let me take say 4 feet.
like this.
So
Okay,
I'll make a line
and
of say 4
done.
feet over here. Okay,
Now again I select this, press Ctrl, select
yeah.
this, right click.
So
Need to go to hide the
I'll make a
object.
line of say
Okay,
4 feet.
copy this and
Feet.
take it
Okay,
towards
it's
here,
coming over here.
over here,
See, like this over here. Okay.
hmm? Till this
Now
point. You can just click
I'm
it
going to make a partition over
and
here.
then drag it backside.
Okay.
Done.
So it will be
Hmm?
around 25
Again
mm.
go to edit,
The thickness tool.
unhide the last. Done.
It's going to take the whole area
Okay.
from this point to this point and take it over here.
Now I made the verticals
So
one.
it
Now I'm going
is
to make a horizontal one over here. Okay.
minus
What I'll do
610
is
mm, comma 25 mm. Done.
I'm
Okay.
going to
What you can do in this, we'll remove this line from here. Double click on this, and again if you want to group it or make a component, so make component also. The reason to make component, so we can when you make changes to one of the object, it affects the other object same time. Okay, so just give a kitchen base partition. Double click on this. Just give a height. Let's give the height as say 850 mm. It's gone down, sorry, so take it up. 850 mm. Done. Now just take it as straight towards this end. Done. Okay. Now what we'll do is we will make the kitchen shelves down also, the base cabinets and the doors over here. So let's make the base partition first. Just click and drag over here. Click the full over here like this. Done. Now give a thickness around say 25 mm like this. 1, 2, 3. Right click and go to group. So in this you need to take the center of it now. Take the center of this object, the center of the vertical partition. Yeah, correct. Okay. And done. Yeah, cool. Now what I'll do, we'll take this thing little inside. Okay. So double click on this, select this face and take it inside. Let's give say 25 mm on inside. Okay. Done. Now I'm gonna make a door over here. Okay. So just take a box, just click and drag like this and take the half of this area. So it will be around say 600 mm, comma 25 mm. Done. Okay. And just go to the bind, take the height over here and join it next to it. Again triple click on this, right click and go to say component, give name as kitchen base cabinets. Done. Now you need to click on the move option, just click on the points, just press Ctrl once and leave it and click and drag over here. So my things are ready, but we find there's a gap over here. Okay, no problem. What you can do is select the both the objects, press Ctrl and click on the options and just drag it over here. It's joined. Done. Adjust this thing over here also, but take this back side, take it back and take it till this point. Okay. Yeah. Select this, hide this and select this also. Just make it a wireframe mode over here and double click on this, select this face and take it to the corner of this edge. Done. Done. Okay, that's cool. And again you need to go to the edit, go to unhide, last. It's done. Okay, done. So now, so got the idea how I made this? So first I made the kitchen platform, then I made the border over here, then I made the base cabinets also. You can select and check click and right click. If I say click on the hide option, side. Going to back, go to edit, and right, go to last. I hope you liked my video.